So prime rate dropped again, and there's uncertainty in the air. Everything that's going on with the tariff war, it is driving people crazy and scared. Everybody's scared, and when people are scared, they make the wrong decisions. So what should you do with everything that's going on? Today, I'm going to talk about the exact process that helped me gain insight on my finances. Hello, everyone. My name is Sylvia Ho, and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I'm also a mortgage agent, and I help landlords save money via reducing the taxes that they pay and decreasing the interest that they pay the banks. If you like my weekly video training, please like it, please love it, please comment below because it encourages me to make more videos like this to help you save money. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. So last week I talked about getting clarity on your wealth building efforts. And I'm not talking about, okay, how much rental income do I have coming in and what are my rental expenses going out? I'm talking about clarity on what is your big vision? What is it that you want to do? Today, I'm going to focus on a process that helped me gain focus on my numbers, on what I spend. And this is not a budget exercise. This is not a cut down on your vacation fund exercise, or your kid can't go to this activity because it costs so much money. This is not a budget exercise, nor is it change your lifestyle exercise. This is simply know your numbers. Right? What I always tell people is you don't know what you don't know. But once you know the information, you gain clarity on your next steps. So the biggest killer of wealth is being ignorant. But like I said, again, sometimes you don't know what you don't know. So all I'm saying today is know your numbers. As I was preparing for my taxes for this year, I started downloading all my bank accounts and my credit card statements. And for fun, I thought, hey, why don't I just start categorizing them? I want to know how much I'm spending at McDonald's. I want to know how much the kids are spending at Pizza. I want to know how much I'm spending on kids' activities or even my Lego set. As you can see, I love Lego. I got quite a big Lego collection. How much are you spending on these things? And once you know what you're spending, then it gives you insight on your decisions. Okay. It makes you more aware of your decisions, and your behaviors will naturally change. So what are the steps in knowing your numbers? So the first thing you're going to do is you're not going to go online and download your bank account. You're going to start listing out all the accounts and credit cards that you use. So it could be your everyday account, your savings account. It could be maybe your partner's account where expenses come out of. It could be the family credit card. It could be your personal credit card. It could be your spouse's credit card. I don't know how many accounts you have. I have a lot of accounts, so I had to download a lot of stuff. So and then once you list them all out, you're gonna start downloading them. Okay, so you're gonna go online and you're gonna log into that account and you're gonna download all your expenses for 2024. So you're gonna go January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you're gonna download into a CSV file. A CSV file is basically an Excel sheet. Okay, so you're going to download it into a CSV file, and let's just say you have 6 accounts. So you're going to have 6 different CSV files. And then what you're going to do is you're going to combine the 6 CSV files into one file. And then all you're going to do is just start categorizing them. One thing I was really curious about is how much was I spending at Costco? Because we all know that you can't go to Costco and just buy 2 things, right? There are a lot of things to buy at Costco, right? And so that was a nice, interesting surprise. So maybe Sylvia won't go to Costco as much this year, right? Because maybe I'll save money. Maybe it's better to go to No Frills or go to Loblaws, right? So bottom line is that by knowing your numbers and tracking them, you are going to be more aware of the decisions that you make, and your behaviors will naturally change. Now, you could absolutely do this on a monthly basis. I know clients that will do this on a monthly basis. For me, I do it annually, and then now I can compare it to the year before. Oh, did we spend more money at Costco? Or, oh, did we spend more money on vacation this year, on the kids' activities? So it gives us a guideline. So once you do it once, you kind of get addicted to do it the next year because you want to see, oh, how much did I spend in this? So that's what I have for you, my friends. Next week, I'm going to talk about 3 things that I learned as a landlord and running my landlord business that cost me thousands of dollars. I would love to have you not spend that money. So learn off of my mistakes. Tune in next week as I talk about the 3 things that I learned while running my landlord business, and I'm going to show you what not to do so that you can save that money. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Sylvia Ho, and I'm a financial landlord consultant. I work with landlords to help them save money via taxes and via interest. I'm also a mortgage agent. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye now.